Do you also want to make this cinematic 4K video? Let me tell you how to make this in Capcut. Step 1. Open Capcut. Click on Adjust. I'll adjust it to your liking.
My mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Step 2. Click on Adjust. Click on Filters. Select 4K. Step 3. Click on Effects. Click on Video Effects. Search Lens. Select Smart Sharpen.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm hearing
Click Effect. Click Adjust.
exaggerated, that's what
Reduce the blur filter to 0.
The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spend
Done.
all my life holding
Export you video.
all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.